The association acts as an advocate for school boards across the state of Arizona and says board members are getting burned out right now, saying that too much pressure is being placed on them to make decisions about COVID instead of our state leaders like the governor. Some are even considering leaving the job. Here's CBS 5's Spencer Blake.
We are not medical doctors. We are not health professionals. These are very difficult decisions for us to be making, or our school boards.
Back in August, Superintendent Debbie Burdick of Cave Creek Unified School District felt the stress of making public health decisions before there was clear guidance from the state. Now, even with that guidance, district leaders around the state still have a lot on their shoulders. So much so that the Arizona School Board Association, or ASBA, has seen some of those elected leaders say when their term is up, they are not seeking re-election.
The amount of public pressure that they're under over this has been unlike anything that they've ever seen before.
Reed Carr, a board member for Gilbert Public Schools, has a term that ends this year. Since he ran unopposed, he will be back for another term, but he too knows the stress of COVID-related decisions. One day he had more than 800 emails from parents about it, some good and some bad. Chris Cotterman with the ASBA says most of these members who have had enough were parents who ran for office because they were passionate about academics and athletics.
They didn't run to make a decision about whether or not it's safe to have kids when they could pass a disease on to their parents or grandparents.
This is why the ASBA is calling on the state for more evidence-based metrics when it comes to closing and reopening schools.
Now, Cotterman also says that he wants the governor and the State Department of Health to have a bigger push for more testing statewide. Live in Phoenix tonight, I'm Spencer Blake for Arizona's Family.